Hey guys, this is Troughton, and this is my bike check. It's a Haro F5. I know you guys would be ripping on me for this, but it's actually a pretty good bike. It's nice and strong, only had a couple problems with it. It's a 2009 too, so. Okay, the back rim is a Black Sheep Alien Nation. The tread is a Odyssey. All I know is it's an Odyssey. The chain is a Cult CCO2 chain. It's not the greatest chain. I do not recommend it. The sprocket is really loose, but whatever. It's a Salt Plus 25 tooth. It weighs 16 ounces. That's why I got it. It's a nice chain or sprocket. The pedals are a Odyssey pedals. The cranks are just Haro F5 cranks. The frame, obviously Haro F5 frame. This whole rim is just Alien Nation Black Sheep. Same with the front. The bars are kink bars. I bought them off a friend. Stem is a Mission stem. Forks are Haro F5 forks. Grips are Mission grips. The bar ends are Mission. The seat is a Mission. The seat clamp is a Haro green seat clamp. Looks pretty G. The bike in total weighs 26.2 pounds. It's pretty light for a Haro. What else? There's my Boss sticker. Yeah, it's peeling, but looks pretty sick. And that's my bike.